Okay, so welcome. And I want to make something very clear here. This section on discussions is both an opportunity, a very good opportunity for you all, and also in terms of your grade, and also potentially a huge tripping stone. It can totally crush you in this class. So this is what I'm going to call sort of a freebie of types, but not. And I want to explain this because you only have three discussion posts, okay, that are going to be taking place in this class. Now, these discussion posts, you'll have one a week, and there's only three of them, and they represent a very significant portion of your grade. So the tripping stone is one, missing the discussion. Number two, maybe just giving it a very lighthearted attitude in how you approach it, because there's very few people actually in these summer courses, and it's a big portion of your grade. So you will actually come under a little bit more of a critique on my part, and I'll tell you what I'm be looking for. First off, these posts are a chance for you to engage with the material, and I want to see that you are knowledgeable in the topic. So relate the post and relate the prompts. Make sure that you're using concepts that we're talking about in the text. Okay, this is not a time to wing it. You run a real risk if you chat GPT it, because you're really looking at how much are you relating your discussion to the text and to the content specific to this class. Okay, that's going to be where I'm going to critique things. Just be articulate. Um, I definitely do not want a long, very wordy, you know, kind of post. So make sure that when you're writing things, that you're writing concise, meaning compact, and precise, meaning you're saying what you mean in a compact sort of way. Okay, that's economical writing right there. So that's how you're really going to be judged, not on did you write a big long essay. That's not what this is about. I'm looking for just understanding, application of content. That's it. Okay. So please don't make it into a very long essay. I think that's going to be the answer to this. No, that's not what I'm asking for. Um, Also, I didn't want to do that to you all because you all have quite a lot of actual homework to do throughout this course. And so I don't want this to be just an incredibly burdensome kind of an assignment, which is why I'm going to call it kind of a freebie, because it's not something I'm expecting you to take a ton of effort to put into. So, but at the same time, I expect you to be thoughtful. So how you're going to do that is get through the course content for that section, make your post. Okay. Make sure you're replying to people, and, and then, that's how you're going to actually end up doing okay in this particular portion of the class. Okay. So you'll have a post every week, and your posts will have to be written. I'll say by Friday, and you can button up responses until Monday, so you'll have time to post and then respond, and that's how it kind of goes. Get one a week. Just think every Friday you have to make sure that you post by Friday, you respond through the weekend, and to your peers, and I'll be looking at the quality of those. So just make sure you don't miss them. As long as you don't miss them, as long as you've kind of gone through the content and you're applying it, this is really a freebie, and it's a good chunk of your grades in a sense. So I hope that ends up being that you all actually very much benefit from how this is structured, and I really just pray that nobody makes the mistake of missing posts or missing this assignment, because that would just be a really big, unfortunate way to lose a large portion of your grade for something that takes relatively a lot less time than other parts of your grade that are going to take more time. So hope it's a freebie. That's what I'm praying for. Don't make it a tripping stone. Okay. I look forward to hearing what you all have to say about the discussion prompts. I think they're interesting, and I look forward to reading your thoughts.